Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'll make a little tutorial on showing you how you can use your digital stickers. So if you go to Etsy or any other store that are providing stickers for digital planning, this is a couple of ways that I think are the easiest, fastest, and less problematic ways to just use your stickers. I am using the iPad and I am using the GoodNotes app. You can find this in the Apple Store. It's a one-time purchase and you can use all of your digital planners, digital stickers in here, but there are many other apps like Notability, etc. you can definitely use to do your digital planning. If you're new to this and you are trying to figure out, definitely subscribe because I'm gonna have a lot of tutorials, and if you have any questions about your digital planners, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I will do my absolute best to make more videos or give you a quick response if that's what you need. So if you can see here, I have a lot of different stickers. Let me zoom in right here. For example, this one is a little sticker. This one right here is a little sticker, and if you can see, this has no background, so you can only see that image. You don't have anything else in there, and those you can use in different ways to organize and to mark down things in your planner, as well as this one which comes with a kit. So when you purchase your stickers, they will most likely go into your downloads. So if you go into iCloud Drive, this is the Files app that your iPad comes from, and you have this little folder right here with your downloads, and if you go there you will see all of the stuff that you have downloaded from Safari or from Google Chrome. So you want to download whatever it is that you are purchasing from Etsy or anywhere else. And for example here, this is what I provide. If you go into my Etsy shop, which I'll link down below, this is what I provide. For example, these ones right here are the creators icons, so it has different stickers, and it comes with a GoodNotes template, and it also comes with the PNG stickers. So the first one is a zip, so it's a compressed file, so when you click on it, it will automatically download these folders. So now you will have here all of the stickers, and this is very common when it comes to purchasing your stickers. You will just get like a photo like this. It doesn't have any background. This is just a really cute iPad sticker with the Apple Pencil, and it just says design. So that is one way to do it. You just have here, right? And you want to check that this is a PNG file. So you can click here on the arrow and it will tell you here if it's a PDF, a JPEG, whatever. This is a PNG, meaning it's gonna have that transparent background that we want. So that is perfect. You can scroll down and pop your app. So this is the app that I'm using. This is the GoodNotes app, and I'm just gonna select it and drag it so that I have it split here. And this is the easiest way to use these stickers. You're just gonna grab whatever sticker. So if that's the sticker that you want to use, you're just gonna grab it and place it there, and now you have that sticker here, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can resize it, place it wherever you go using the lasso tool, this one right here, making sure that images is in green. You can drag it wherever you want. You can copy, delete, resize, whatever you want to do. So that's, I think, the easiest way for you to use your stickers and move things around. And you can use the photo tool as well and just click on it and also manipulate your sticker that way, or just simply delete it. And you will do that with any sticker that you want. If you have a sticker album, which I do when I sell this also on my Etsy shop, but you can find different ones, what you can do is organize things. So mine has a little index page where you can use clickable links. So I will put this in social media, for example, and I do have another page for these ones, and the only thing that you need to do again is drag and paste right in there, and now you have it in your sticker book. And wherever you are planning, you can go into your sticker book, find the sticker that you want, select with your lasso tool, and just select copy, and then go into your planner and just paste and then you will have your stickers. So if you are new and you want a more in-depth on how to use GoodNotes for digital planning, definitely let me know and I'll make a video about it. Now the next thing that you will have is a GoodNotes file, which is this one right here. You have here the GoodNotes logo, and then your file says .goodnotes at the end. That means it's a GoodNotes file, and it is going to be really easy. I don't like to use this as much because it will take more space in your device. So if your gigabytes are not a lot, maybe this is not for you, but if you're having any troubles with the PNG stickers or whatever, this is a fantastic way to just import everything at once and not having to drag, like if there's 1,000 stickers or something like that and you don't want to drag one by one, but you have this GoodNotes file, then you can just open the GoodNotes file directly and you won't have to be dragging the stickers. Once you click on it, you will have this. You won't have any preview or anything like that. You click on the arrow right here and you just click GoodNotes. You can find it here. If you cannot see it here, you just click on more, and then you click you will find it right here in your apps. So you click GoodNotes, and I would ask you where you want to open this. I will say import as new document, and then you can select where you want to import that. So I'm going to import that into this file that I have created here. And there you have your stickers. So you can again use the lasso tool to grab them, move them around. I will just grab all of them, select them, say copy, and then go into my sticker album and paste them right there directly, and that way whenever I need them, I will be just able to copy paste them to whatever page I want, into whatever planner I am using at the moment for that. So that is it. That's how you import and use all of your digital stickers into your digital planners using GoodNotes. You don't need anything else. I am literally just using the files folder app that you have. It comes with your device. So that's how you do this. It's so easy, it's so simple. I would totally suggest you to get a sticker album because you can just collect all of your stickers in there without any problem, and you don't have to be like looking through your files and trying to remember where you have them. You can just have them here all organized in one place, just having like, you know, all of your categories here, and just whenever you click on it, you will have all of those stickers and you will know exactly where everything is. You can just copy paste it and put it in your planner. So that is it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I am here to help you in any way that I can. And until my next video, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.